doing an eyebrow tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, today I'm gonna be using, first off, my NK Makeup Auto Eyeliner. I use this for my eyebrows, and I think it's the color dark brown. You don't want to use the black because I don't believe anybody here is black. Your hair might be black, but like it's gonna come off weird looking. So I use the concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it's called Toffee. This goes best with my skin. It's natural, but it's like a little bit lighter, so it really makes it look very how should I say, poppin', snatch, but natural at the same time. I know people say use an angle brush. I need an angle brush, but I use this brush. And here's my blending brush. It's not really for blending, but I use it anyways. And I use my clear lash gel to keep my eyebrows in place. And I also use my beauty blender. When you're using your beauty blender, make sure you wet it with a little bit of water. I have water in this spray bottle. Don't make it too wet, but just like dampen it a little bit. So thank you, and that's all you will be needing: eyebrow pencil, concealer, brushes. I don't use eyebrow gel on a daily basis, but if I really wanted to stay, I'll use that. But for the video purpose, I'm doing everything. So see you guys soon. I'm gonna be looking right here because I have a mirror in front of me. It's best to be up close to the mirror so you can see like what you need to perfect. Okay, I forgot one thing, and it's a spoolie. But make sure you have a spoolie because you really need it when you're doing your eyebrows. It makes you get a definer look. So brush it out at first, and you're gonna be using your spoolie all through this video. Well, I'm gonna be using this spoolie all through this video. You're gonna be using it all through your eyebrow routine, and I hope this really helps. A lot of people don't mind my nails. I had long cute nails, but I chopped it up because I had to do hair. Okay, so if you guys pay attention, my eyebrows are not the same shape at all. Not the same shape, and I don't know how it got like that, but I tried my best to make it look like the same shape when I draw it on. It's hard sometimes, hard most of the time, but sometimes it works with me. I hope this time it works with me. But I'm really gonna be doing this eyebrow, and I'll probably do this one off camera because it needs more attention than this one. So right now I just outline my eyebrow, and you want to use a very soft hand. You don't want it to be too harsh because you won't be able to blend it out as good. So I go right back in it and do a thicker line since I already know where the line is. And then I try to make this straight because this eyebrow is way more arched than this eyebrow, and this eyebrow is really like straight looking. So I try to make this one straight also. I outline the top too. And when you have this outline, you just go back in and make hair-like strokes. And this is how you get the most natural effect. And then when I get to the front, I do not like go all the way up because you don't want that botsy look when you fill in your eyebrows. You want like a fade in look. So right now, this eyebrow is done. Here's a little close up. It's not brushed out or anything, so I go back in, and I don't do hair like strokes now. I just go all the way through. Okay, and then I take my handy dandy spoolie. You might want a smaller spoolie. This one's really big. I usually use another one, but it looks really ghetto, so for video purposes, I'm using that one. So get like a smaller spoolie. To keep your eyebrows in place, you want this. It has a spoolie also, so it's like further protection, and you're further putting your eyebrow in place. So this is how it looks so far. When you use this eyebrow gel, yes, it does make your eyebrows look like they're going away, so you might want to go back in there. This time when you go back in there, you're not going back over with the eyebrow gel, because yes, eyebrow gel does wipe away your eyebrows a little bit, but at least you know you'll have some eyebrows in place when it comes off. So this gives it more of a yeah. So you see, I got that eyebrow look. I didn't even conceal it yet. I didn't. So right now, I'm just gonna be, let me angle my camera up a little bit because I'm slouching. Okay. So right now, you don't take a lot. You take a little bit. I really had some coming out already, so this much. I go in here first. I don't want to arch it too much because this one's already arched way more than this one. I'm not going to say way more than it's supposed to, because I wish this eyebrow was like this. And why do I say use an angled brush? The angled brush, you'll get a more defined eyebrow. I'm fine with this brush because I feel like I still get the nice eyebrow look, but if you want an angled brush, go for it. It's way better than this probably, because this takes, like, you have to take more time with this brush because it is rounded. So for a beginner, I would recommend an angle brush. I didn't have eyebrows my whole life, so I had to learn. So I bring down the concealer, and I'm not blending it yet, but I'm bringing it down so when I do blend it, I don't really mess up my other eyebrow. I mean, the eyebrow that I already filled in. It looks kind of blended, but it's not. So you see the difference? Huge difference. I take my blending brush and I just go in. I'm not really good at blending, but you have to like blend great, because if you don't, all you see is like a little shadow, like a little crusty shadow around your eyebrow, and that's not cute. It's not cute at all. So I have my sponge and I wet it a little bit. It's not dirty, but I did my eyebrows already today and I didn't like it, so I still have the concealer from it. But I just go back in to further make sure it's blended. And here are the results. I'm not satisfied with the blending yet, so I go back in. Yes, this is how I do my eyebrows.